Number 9 is the lazy liar guy. He lies about little things. For example, saying, I gym every day, and big things like, I'm single. Trust will be gone. So, ever dated someone who can tell the truth or even lift a finger? I'll clean the garage, but actually never does. I was stuck in traffic, but actually he was gaming on the couch. That's why he was late. I'll change, I swear, but actually he did not. Here's the trick. He's a couch potato con artist, feeding you fibs to dodge responsibility. Need help? He's suddenly busy. Catch him lying? And then he says, You're overreacting. His talent? Turning excuses into an Olympic sport. Why you should run away from this type of guy. He's a black hole for your energy. You'll waste years chasing honesty and effort, while he recycles empty words like a garbage day. Love should not feel like babysitting a grown-aged toddler. Trust your gut. You deserve a truth teller, not a Netflix and lie machine. Remember, laziness plus a bunch of lies equals a lifetime of nope. Always remember, you're a diamond. Don't let a dusty liar dull your shine.